Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Creative Budgets, and welcome if you are new. Happy Tuesday. We will be diving into my Tiny Tuesday Savings Challenges today. So first I'm going to grab the money that we'll be working with. So we have 5, 10, 15. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15 in singles today. So before I get started, I just want to touch base or follow up on my previous video. During my unstuffing, I mentioned just purchasing a new car, but I never exactly explained where that money was coming from. So that money will be coming out of my savings account, but I did have to dip into my car maintenance folder because we did purchase it on a Sunday and the bank was closed. So I did dip into my car maintenance folder for a couple $100 that I will have to be paying back. So sometime this week I'll be going to the bank. I believe I have to put $200 to $300 back, and now that I think about it, it wasn't my car maintenance folder, it was actually housing maintenance. So I'll take that $200 to $300 that I took out of housing from my checking account, and I'll put that into the envelope to pay back. I don't really have any updates on the car itself. We haven't really been able to work on it yet, but I will definitely keep you guys posted and updated if that is something you are interested in. But that is all the news I have today. We're just going to jump into my challenges. How was your Monday and how's your Tuesday going this week? Hope everyone is having a good start to their week. Okay. Let me make sure I didn't just mess this up completely. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, you know the drill. I'm gonna roll my dice really quick. Number 6. Start with just this challenge, so Roth IRA will be number 6. Number 5 will be, I think I wanna, no, I'm just gonna follow the dice. Next challenge, number 3. Next challenge, number 4. Number 1. Oh. What did I just do here? I accidentally messed with the amounts for each category, so I'm gonna roll again and figure out what category is going where. Number 5. Number 3. Number 4. Number 6. Number 1. And this will be number 2. Now we're ready to roll. Grab the ones. Oh, that was a lot quicker. Number 2. Number 5. Number 1. Number 1. That's another number 1. Number 4. Number 2. We have $1 left. think that's the only one that we got. So, yep. So round 2. Another number 1. Another number 1 again. Number 6. Number 1's getting a lot of our money today. Round 3. That's a number 6. I don't think any challenge got 5. 4, 2, and 2. Got $1. I'm gonna roll for the $1 first. Number 4. Alright, and then I'm gonna roll to see who gets number 5. Number 6. Perfect. Starting with the first challenge, we have Chatty Cathy Budgets Mini Cow. We got $10 in this challenge today. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. And I bought some paper clips. So I'll just paper clip these together so I don't make another mistake. Our next challenge, Imagine Challenge by Budget with Amanda. I only got $2 today. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Let's see. Next up, we got new car or car maintenance. Technically, this is just gonna be car maintenance now, since I don't need a new car anymore. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I'd write down how much I got. It was only $2 today. Perfect. Third challenge, I already got $3. Now it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. fourth challenge, we have Magical Mini Savings, also by Budget with Panda. We got $4. Green. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right. And last but not least, your mortgage payment at $5, $6, $7, $8, and $9. So now we have 5, 10, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Alright, done with the paper clips. We were done with that. With that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and consider subscribing if you want to see future content of mine. And I will see you all in the next one.